Are you in search of a sustainable material for your project? The sustainability of Italian ceramic tiles can now be measured and certified. ISO 17889 Part 1 is the first international standard to evaluate the sustainability of ceramic tiles on the basis of 38 environmental, social, and economic performance indicators. Products are assigned a score based on an analysis of their entire life cycle from cradle to grave. A tile can be described as sustainable only if it achieves a score of at least 117.5 out of 130. The Italian ceramic tile industry amply exceeds this minimum threshold with a sector-wide average score of more than 124 points. Insisting on compliance with ISO 17889 Part 1 ensures that the companies you choose truly protect the environment and respect human beings, avoiding the trap of greenwashing. Choosing Italian ceramic tiles contributes to the sustainability of your projects. Watch all the videos on the sustainability of Italian ceramic tiles on ceramica.info.